This is the MTPredictor weekly update for May 15th. I've got the Dow cash here. We're going to put the intermediate analysis, and you see we had the intermediate four-wave pattern here. As I looked at last week, we saw the or we were expecting the market to come in here and maybe consolidate a bit, which is what we got. I'm going to project up using the MTPredictor software tools here. I'm going to go up wave 5 here, make 5 clicks on the chart, and it projects. Here's my minimum wave 5 target and the typical wave 5 target up here. Minimum wave target starting just about that 12,940 area, and typical wave 5 will be above 13,000. That's about 13,225 or so. So we'll see if this area holds. I'm going to put the major analysis on because you can see we had a major 5-wave pattern up. We hit the minimum wave 5 resistance in here. Took that out. We got the pullback on the intermediate wave 4. Here's our major wave 5, typical wave 5 up here, kind of sandwiched in between our intermediate wave 5 targets here. So you can see this would be a big area of resistance. We get up into that 13,000 area, which let's say if wave 4 support holds, I'll just take this out here. If the wave 4 support holds here, then we should see that 13,000 area. At least this minimum wave 5 now, which is close to 13,945 or so. Now if they take this area out, we're going to have to see there'll be some support just below the wave 4 support area, maybe this 12,300 area, and then if we took a DP off the wave 2 support area way down here, all the way down to 12,000. And we did end Friday on a bit of a bearish note, so we'll have to see if this holds up. We closed at the lower end of the range on Friday. They haven't taken out the wave 4 low so far, which is down at 12,521. So we'll see if that holds. If it does, we should get another leg up. We should come out of the consolidation one way or the other this week. So we'll see that. The bulk of the news really won't come economic data-wise till the end of the week, Thursday, with your jobless claims, existing home sales, Philly Fed. I think you got leading indicators at 10 on Friday, Eastern Time. So most of the big announcements will be on Friday. I think Tuesday you've got housing, some housing numbers and industrial production. I think was it 2 o'clock Eastern FOMC minutes on Wednesday, but the bulk of the bigger reports are going to be on Thursday. So watch for that and see if we get some direction one way or the other this week out of this wave 4 kind of support area. Let's take a look at the metals here as far as gold and silver go. I'll take a look at silver first here, and you see we have our major 4-wave pattern. We came into the major wave 4 support. Did break down a little bit there, but we haven't taken that out. Here's your 200-day moving average sitting around $29. So maybe some buying in here, though we could go lower. What I want to see is in gold. Gold very similar to the Dow, and into that wave 4 support we've got some consolidation. Here's the 50-day moving average on gold. They haven't really tested that yet, but the bigger buying opportunity will probably come if gold does get below the 50-day moving average, above the 200-day, because you can see all the best buying opportunities have come when gold has come below the 50-day but above the 200-day. Nice TS4 here, again below the 50-day but above the 200-day, as this market is in an uptrend, obviously. Again, Anytime we get below the 50-day, these have been buying opportunities in gold. Going back, but this is already back to April of 2009. So for quite a long time now that gold has been in this uptrend, those have been good buying opportunities. Now, you don't necessarily have to use that to purchase gold. You can actually watch the gold chart to time your purchases in silver if you're a longer term in position trading in silver, or doing more investing in silver, that is. Obviously, if you're trading off the daily chart, that works well. Silver is much more, as we've seen lately, volatile and has some pretty tough swings, moves, corrections and so forth. So just keep that in mind if you are going to trade that market, or if you're accumulating any of these precious metals, especially silver, quite volatile, and so just be aware of that. But if the gold price does come down below the 50-day, but above the 200-day, that can be a good time to accumulate silver. Anyway, hope that's helpful. And again, we're looking for the market to potentially, at least in the Dow, make a move one way or the other, break out of the consolidation that we expected, or that we did get last week, which we were expecting. And now we'll see if the market can move away one way or the other from that area, either wave 5 up or back down to wave 4 DP support. All right, we'll take a peek at the market next week and see where we're at, and we'll do it all again.